Hello, greetings from ventichic. We know that while the future appears promising for some individuals, it does not appear to be for all of them. In this video, we'll go over 15 jobs that artificial intelligence will replace. If you currently work in one of these fields, you might want to consider other options. Without further ado, let's start. Number 1. Drivers. Tesla has been making noise for some time as futuristic cars will be 100% autonomous. Elon Musk stated that it would take us anywhere from 1 to 2 years to perfect the technology and 3 more to obtain government approval. All major automakers are moving toward electric and self-driving vehicles, and those that don't will soon be behind. It'll be like taking an elevator to ride in a car. You just press a button and it takes you where you want to go. But what will happen to the estimated 20 million people living as active drivers? That's the question. Number 2. Farmers. In less developed regions of the world, farming may still require a lot of human labor. On a macro level, it has already been automated, with a few specially trained individuals operating heavy machinery through wireless connections from the comfort of the office. The seeds or the soil have already been treated to prevent weeds from growing there. With the help of specialized equipment, harvesting and planting can now be completed in a fraction of the time it used to take, and the trucks that carry out the work will soon be self-driving. Number 3. Printers and publishers. The newspaper is gone and traditional media are suffering due to the internet's dominance. You can easily access news through live streams or Twitter. Every traditional magazine is fighting for its existence. Despite being a solid brand, Forbes magazine is in danger of going out of business. Information is free, and few publishers have enough brand trust to keep the engines running. The New York Times is a great example, as it's the only publication to successfully implement a paywall so that readers can read their written content. Number 4. Cashiers. Amazon Go is a corner store where you simply walk in, get what you need, and leave with everything you bought automatically deducted from your credit card. The technology needs to be a little better than the human counterpart for people to switch though. Sensors are getting better. AI cashiers can work 7 days a week, 24 hours a day without dealing with the drama of their personal lives. Number 5. Travel agents. Skyscanner and Booking.com have taken over the hotel booking industry, and Airbnb is also disrupting the hotel industry. We no longer require a third party to book our hotel or flight, as we can do it on our own. You can also tell Siri to do it for you. Do you know what one thing Siri can't do though? It's subscribing and clicking the notification bell. Kidding aside, please subscribe to our channel to never miss a video from us. Moving on, number 6. Manufacturing workers. When the Industrial Revolution started, everyone who had been working in the fields moved to factories, where they made the machines that would make our lives easier. As technology improved, these same people were put in charge of making other machines that wouldn't need humans. Back then, multiple humans were working together to put together the end product. Today, you're watching simple software at work. This will lead to putting more people on unemployment. Number 7. Dispatchers. It doesn't matter if you work with planes, the police, ambulances, or firefighters as a dispatcher. There's already technology that outperforms you significantly at your job. The days when you had to manually connect to a different line to talk to someone will soon be over. Number 8. Waiting tables and bartending. Although there may be a need for social interaction with bartenders and waiters, this is not always the case. Sometimes all you want to do is sit down, have your food delivered to your table as soon as possible, drink a certain mix, and then leave. A well-documented algorithm and an iPad can successfully replace all of these things. Number 9. Bank tellers. Nowadays, people only visit the bank when necessary. We can now check our balances with our smartphones. Even individuals on our payroll have their money deposited automatically into their accounts without them having to physically and manually fill out a form with their information. When you need money, you go to an ATM. Most global banks allow you to open a bank account online, and there's rarely a need for tellers anymore. Number 10. Military pilots and soldiers. In the past, the winner of a war was determined by who had the most troops. However, militaries are currently exploring new technology nowadays. Without putting the pilot's life in danger, drones can accurately hit a target. Human soldiers are still needed, but only the best of the best and are only used when no other technology is available. Regarding this, what do you think is the strongest weapon or superpowers in the Marvel or DC universe? Let us know in the comments below. Number 11. Fast food workers. Fast food jobs are probably the easiest to automate from the list. There was no incentive for businesses to alter something already working well, so they delayed doing so. The wave of automation takes over due to the numerous protests over the minimum wage. Number 12. Telemarketer. On all of your devices, there are always targeted ads. This has taken over the industry of telemarketers. Facebook collects all of the data from actions like clicking, sharing, and engaging with others to create a custom profile for each user, batch them, and sell them to other businesses. Telemarketers are no longer required because advertisements become more intelligent as they learn more about you. Number 13. Accountants and tax preparers. The average American accountant makes approximately $60,000 annually, and there are over 1.3 million of them registered. Developing highly sophisticated artificial intelligence that would flawlessly complete a task would cost $15 billion, but such software would pay for itself in less than 2 years. As a result, AI engineers are targeting accountants, lawyers, and medical professionals. Number 14. Stock traders. One of the markets in which the largest funds in the world have sufficient resources to profit is the stock market. Say you want to purchase a specific stock. You access the secured portfolio management dashboard or your preferred trading platform. The bots are aware that you'll purchase that stock already. They buy it for themselves, trade it, and then sell it to you at a significantly higher price. Do you like this video so far? If yes, please like and share it with your friends so they can know about the valuable information we're sharing here. Now to the last one. Construction workers. There are at least 200 million construction workers worldwide, with developing countries wanting to expand. Developers now need more machines and a slightly more specialized workforce to use set machines to build things. We can see that construction workers will follow in the footsteps of farmers in the past as technology advances. We have a question for you now. What other jobs do you think automation will eliminate? Please let us know in the comments below. And now we're done. Please like, subscribe, and click the notification bell to avoid missing another video from us. See you guys in our next videos.